let's have a paksiw. Spring onion, lagyan ko siya ng salt. Tapos ano lang, sibuyas, sili, at saka garlic, ginger. Ayan po, lagay natin dyan. Tapos nilalagay na natin ang dilis. Ayan. Ayan po. Dilis po yan. Ayan. Lagay na natin lahat. Napakasarap. It's really fresh. And then add some onion and chili. And then some black pepper, a white pepper. And then some vinegar. Taran. And then just add a bit of fish sauce. Ayan. Yum! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!